morning students, welcome you Shwekotali chemistry classes. Today we study group 18 elements or noble gases or inert gases. The group 18 of periodic table consists helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. All elements are gases, so they are called inert gases because their outermost shell is complete and they are reactive. Radon is a radioactive element. Chemically, under ordinary condition, nowadays these gases are called noble gases. They are also called rare gases. Electronic configuration. The noble gas have very stable closed cell electronic configuration. Closed cell electronic configuration means 8 electrons present in the outermost shell. All the available orbitals present in them are completely filled. The electronic configuration of helium is 1s2, while the other noble gases have electronic configuration ns2, np6. Due to stably closed cell configuration, these elements possess no tendency to gain or lose electrons. This is why they do not take part in chemical reactions and are devoid of chemical reactivity under ordinary conditions. Their electronic configurations are helium 1s2, neon 1s2 2s2 2p6, argon 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6, krypton 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 3d10 4s2 4p6, xenon के अंदर 5s2 5p6, radon के अंदर 6s2 6p6. The general electronic configuration of these elements is ns2 np6. All available cells are complete and the outermost cells contains 8 electrons. This type of electronic configuration is called closed cell configuration. Occurrence. Noble gases are devoid of chemical reactivity under ordinary sets of conditions. They always occur in free state in nature. The most important source of noble gases is atmosphere. In atmosphere, they are present 1% by volume of air. Beside atmosphere, helium is also present in existence of 2% in natural gas. It is also present as solid solution in the radioactive minerals like uranium, thorium. Helium, argon and neon are also found as constituent of dissolved gases of certain spring waters. Monazite is the chief source of helium. General properties. Physical properties. Inert gases are colorless, odorless, tasteless, non-flammable gases. They are springly soluble in water and solubility increase as the atomic number increase. They are monoatomic gases and for them the value of specific heat is Cp upon Cv is equal to 1.66. So they are not formed multiatomic, polyatomic molecules. Except heliums, they are absorbed on account on coconut charcoal, palladium and platinum. They have low melting and boiling points due to the extent of weak van der Waals forces between their molecules. Being monoatomic, their atomic masses and molecular masses are same They are about 1/1000 times viscous than hydrogen. They can be easily identified by their characteristic spectra. Physical state. All noble gases are colorless, odorless, tasteless. They are monoatomic in nature. The monoatomic nature of noble gases is indicated by their Cp upon Cv values, which are close to 1.66, the value characteristics for a monoatomic acid. Atomic radius. The atomic radius of noble gases are in fact van der Waals radii and are larger than the atomic radii of corresponding elements of group 17 halogens. The atomic radii increase on moving down to the group from helium to xenon because radon is a radioactive element. Melting and boiling point. Their melting and boiling points of noble gases are much lower as compared to those of their substances of comparable molecular masses. The melting and boiling points increase regularly on moving down the group. Helium, the boiling and melting point of helium is very less in periodic table. Ionization enthalpy. Noble gas possess very high value of ionization enthalpy. The ionization enthalpy of each noble gas atom is the highest in its period. The ionization energy enthalpy decrease on moving down the group. Uses. Uses of inert gases. Helium is very lighter gas and is non-flammable, so it is used in filling balloons and aeroplane tires. The mixture of helium and oxygen used by sea divers. It is also used in the formation of inert atmosphere. Uses of neon. Neon used in filling tubes. Neon tubes. The neon bulbs are used in fogs and in botanical gardens. Argon used in the formation in filling bulbs and tubes and in advertising tubes. Krypton and xenon have no important uses. Krypton and xenon used in cosmic rays bubbles. Radon used in cancer.